Okay, we're gonna do a key here for what we got. So we're gonna start with number one. Cereal company, 1 in 4 prizes in each box of cereal. So the prize is evenly distributed, so the probability of winning each prize is 1/4. So basically what they're asking is we're gonna pull out four, so how long will she's gonna buy boxes of cereal until she gets all 4 prizes. So these 2 times are examples where she won, 4 prizes and 4 boxes. Now, this buy over here is an example where she won, she didn't win all 4 prizes until her 15th box. So that's what each box represents, how long it took her to win all 4 prizes. And she did this 20 times. So that's kind of what she had to do. And the question is, use the results to estimate the probability to take fewer than 7 boxes. So question, fewer than 7 does not include 7, right? So we're looking at everything over here. So fewer than 7, how many times did that happen? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that happened 6 times out of how many times did we do this? Well, if we count up all the dots, we get 20. So 6 out of 20, just out of general mathiness, we should probably reduce our fraction. So I think that would be 3/10. You can type in your calculator. I believe 0.3 would also work. All these answers should work though. All right. So that's the gist of kind of what we are doing. Number 2, usher, and we got brides and grooms, and we got 80 guests. So I'm going to circle 80 guests. And we have 17 are bride only. So this is a little different. We normally have a formula, which is probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A and B. Like that's our OR statement probability, right? But in this case, I don't need to really deal with this because I'm not looking at the probability of your bride. These are the bride only, these are the and statements, and these are the groom only. We don't have an overlap here of bride and groom. It's already separated for us. So find the probability that a randomly selected person from the sample is a friend of bride or groom. So this one's actually easier because they didn't give us the information broken out. So probability that you're a bride only is 17 plus 42 plus 20 divided by the total, which is 80. So 17, 42, and 20. 42 and 20 is 62. Add another 7, that gets me to 9, so 69. So that would be 79 out of 80. So that was one way of doing it. You could also said, hey, you know what? Bride or groom, that's everybody but this person. So you could have done 80 minus 1. That would get us there. I do want to take a look real quick. How many people are in the bride? So there are actually 59 all the bride, and how many are in all the groom? There's actually 62. So you could use this formula and do probability is 59 out of 80 plus 62 out of 80. Now we counted the 42 twice. We counted them in groom and bride, so that would be minus 42 out of 80. So the formula could work, but again, there's really no reason to do that extra step. I just wanted to talk about it. All right, so there's 1 and 2. I will post 3 here shortly. Thank you.